Look at our lovely crunchy chin looking so nice, and it tastes very good, guys. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you're seeing us from. This is Eva family. Returning subscribers, thank you so much. If you're seeing us for the first time, this is Eva family, please do well to like, share and subscribe. So what are we bringing to our kitchen today? Na 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 na. Festive period is around the corner, guys. So I'm bringing to you guys back to back what you need for your festive period. So here we have flour. What are we making? Can someone guess? We have these. We have milk there, egg, butter, nutmeg, salt. Who can guess what we are making? Ta-na-na-na-na. Boom. So today we are making ChinChin. We have flour. Our flour here is 2 kg. And then we have sugar. Sugar is 400 grams. We have 2 teaspoons of salt. We have 2 sachets of nutmeg. 2 sachets of baking powder. We have 1 whole of butter, and then 2/3 of 1 of the butter. You can calculate it. Then we have 2 eggs, and for milk we have 3 cups of milk or 600 ml. Okay, guys. So we'll start by mixing our. Yeah. So guys, we add our water. So we're done with this. We add all our dry things, salt, sugar, salt. I'm not cut this one of my hand. Nutmeg. This Nigerian nutmeg, yeah. Oh my god. This is the best one. We both people, they don't have nutmeg. As far as I'm concerned. The flavor, everything is being normal. Top notch. And some people like using the seed nutmeg. They will grate it. That one too is very nice. I like using that one too. The flavor is really good. So you can either use this sachet one. If you can't find this sachet one around, buy the seed one. So guys, if you are actually making 2 kg of ChinChin, by the time you add all these things, sugar, blah blah blah, when you finish making it, it will be more than 2 kg. So by the time we measure it, you will see what will come out. Remember, the flour is, or the recipe is 2 kg recipe. So if you're making 1 kg, divide the recipe by 2. If you are making 4, multiply the recipe by 2. Right? Am I right? I'm right. I'm left and left. Or you times it by 7. No, depending on how. So if you're doing for commercial, just multiply to whatever you want. So this is ready. Then we'll add the liquid, the egg and the milk. Alright? Put our eggs. You know you can use more than 2 eggs. So when you increase your egg, the quantity of your quantity, I will call it now quantity. When you increase the quantity of your egg, you reduce your milk, so it will not be so sticky and matchy and that you cannot roll and cut. But now we are using 2 eggs. You can use 3 eggs, 4 eggs. But this is the standard recipe. You know there's no one size fits all, so you can do whatever you want. But if you want to follow this recipe, we are going with 2 eggs. So we put the milk. I want to add half and then add the remaining half later. So guys, this is not easy. So this is the consistency we have now. You see, very nice. So we have to leave it to rest for like 10-15 minutes. And when we come back, we roll and we cut. Okay, this is 15 minutes. We'll start to roll. So first we sprinkle flour on our rolling table or rolling surface, and then we start to roll. So now we have our oil here. Remember, it's deep fried. So you can see we have like half. The oil is half of the pot. So wait for it till it gets hot. It must be hot. Yeah, before we start frying. So once your oil is hot, as I said earlier, you put your, guys, can you see why we made the cut that size? Because of the baking powder, it will still rise. And then we load the gas a little bit so it will fry even. Yeah, that's it. So this is golden brown and it's ready. Very easy, simple, and tasty. I feel like giving all of you small, but it's not possible. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is our ChinChin. Thank you so much for staying till now. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.